Today we're gonna make plant-based condensed milk. Hi guys, my name is Aistis. All my bartending love, passion and energy from Miami to the world. Today we are gonna make vegan plant-based condensed milk. I already did a video how to make a plant-based milk, actually any plant-based milk, and you can check the link here, so you will have an idea and be able to make any plant-based milk you can come up with. And today we are continuing our bar crafts, and I'll show you how to make condensed milk. But this condensed milk is going to be plant-based. I'm gonna need it for one cocktail and maybe more in the future, so I decided to share this video with you because I had to find out how to do it in the first place. And it's really not very difficult. In general, condensed milk is a milk that is reduced. So it means you have to boil it to reduce, to evaporate some water from it to be more thicker substance, and add some sugar. So it's like condensed sweetened milk. So it's reducing and adding sugar makes a condensed milk. So the same is about plant-based milk. I'm not an expert yet in this because it's the first time I'll be doing it, but as I read, you can't take just the plant-based milk that you made when you were looking at the link I gave you before. So this time I'm gonna make it from coconut milk from a can, so it's not so much diluted. Actually, ingredients are like organic coconut, purified water, organic guan gum, and the better the ingredients, the better your milk will be. So it's better to get something with not too much of the shit inside that. So less shit in your coffee, less shit in you. And what we will have to do, we will have to reduce it by half. So it means to boil it and to simmer it while it stays only half. It's time consuming, it might take around half to 1 hour, it depends. We will see, it's the first time, so you will see everything. I'm not going to make a long video, I will cut those boring parts and make it informative short video. So let's open the can first. And now I'm pouring all the liquid straight into my pot, nothing left, and I'm turning the heat on just to start boiling. And while it's boiling, I'll put it to the max now. I'll put some sugar, so I'll boil everything what's inside together, inside just two ingredients, milk and sugar. So 1 can of coconut or other plant-based milk, but coconut I guess is one of the best, and the size is regular, is 13.5 ounce or 400 milliliters. And to that amount you have to add some sugar. I read a couple of recipes and they are a bit different in size, so I decided to take something like a middle and to use half cup of cane sugar for 1 can of milk. I'm putting it straight into the liquid. It's already thick, but it's gonna get thicker. So the idea is to evaporate and to get it more thicker, more condensed. So that's why it's condensed milk actually. I never thought of that before, never in my life, as I started to make these cups. Like condensed milk, you just make it more condensed, that's it. No mystic, no any other bullshit. And everybody right, you have to reduce it by half. So we will simmer it. Now it's like this. Alright, we will see somehow. Sugar inside. And when I started to get interested in this condensed milk craft, I realized that when I was making orgeat, and if you don't know how to make orgeat, you can check the link here. So technically orgeat is kind of almond condensed milk. It's a bit different because you add a rosé or orange blossom water but it's the same thing. You put sugar and you boil it, simmer it for a long time to reduce it, to get it thicker. And I remember now when I was reading a recipe from Smuggler's Cove book, and there were some things I didn't understand why, and now I really do. So technically it's condensed almond, or that is condensed almond milk. Okay, so now the boring part, so we will do it fast. I will cut and let's go straight to the result of this. And almost 1 hour passed. I tried to simmer on really low temperature, but the thing is that with this oven or this stove, actually it's a bit hard to maintain equal temperature, but you have to work a bit, so it's possible. So almost an hour passed and we have our result. Look, it's quite thick. It changed the color and it changed the thickness. It got something on here, some condensed milk, very condensed, almost dry. But I believe everything worked just fine. It will cool down and it will be even thicker because it's always a bit more liquidy than it's hot or warm. Now tasting time. Let's see. Very sweet. I don't remember the taste of condensed milk because I haven't drank condensed milk in probably 10 or 15 or 20 years. But it's very condensed, very sweet. So I presume it's an amazing plant-based condensed milk. You will find all the recipe from these two ingredients in the description, so just go wherever you want to make condensed milk. And it was really quite easy to make, just you have to have some patience and some time. And I'm happy with the result. I have really good stuff. I think it will work fine in my cocktails, and one particular I'm going to make in my next video. So please show me some love, subscribe my channel, and you will see how I make that cocktail, and you will see many other interesting creative content. And now what is left is just to bottle everything, cool down, and probably keep in the fridge. It depends where you live, but when you live in Miami it's always hot, so it's better to keep your stuff in the fridge. Even sugar syrup got bad here, and it never happened for me in Lithuania. So it depends where you live and what is the temperature in your room or your warehouse or wherever you keep your stuff. Make sure it lasts longer and you can use it much better. And thank you for watching this video. I hope it was informative and educative for you. Now you will know how to make vegan plant-based condensed milk. Now I know, and I shared with you, and the result is really very good. So you can just do it and you will have this amazing ingredient for your sweet cocktails. Or maybe not just sweet. So if you create something, please share the recipes in the comments below. I would really like to see them and probably to try them. And please show me some love, subscribe my channel, like this video, share with your friends, and I love you very much, and I see you in the next videos.